Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to find top sellers on AliExpress. So top sellers on AliExpress are usually those ones who are reliable and have high reputation. So go to some seller's profile and check their positive feedback score. You need to aim for at least 95% positive feedback score, which is located right here. Also, products should be rated above 4.7 stars. Then you should go to reviews section and check reviews from other customers, and especially pay attention to those reviews with photos, because they can expose real quality of the item and not just these polished photos that usually sellers provide you. Also, pay attention to sales number right here, because if this product has hundreds or thousands of orders, then it means that customers trust this seller. And do not forget about communication, so you can send the seller a quick question and check how fast and clearly they will respond to you. So in the bottom left corner you see chat. Tap here and ask your question. And finally, top sellers will support delivery methods that support tracking, because tracking is key. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.